Let's face it, AI is part of everyday life now. So why not use it to improve your resume? The goal is to make AI actually useful, not just trendy. Because yes, you can use tools like ChatGPT to sharpen your resume, but only if you know how to guide it. This video is about how to prompt smarter, how to get better output, and how to use AI to make your resume stronger, not robotic. Let's get into it. First, here's a simple rule. AI reflects the clarity you give it. If your prompt is vague, the output will be vague. If your prompt is specific, the output will feel real, helpful, and human. So before you even open a chat window, take 30 seconds to write this down. What is the role you're applying for? What have you done that relates to that? What keywords or language does the job post use? You're not feeding this into the AI yet. You're just thinking clearly before you start, because AI isn't a shortcut for thinking. It's a tool to help you express what you already understand. Now let's try a bad prompt and improve it. Bad prompt. Rewrite my resume to help me get a job. Sounds easy, but the output will be generic. Here's a better version. Smarter. Prompt. I'm applying for a growth marketing internship at a consumer tech startup. The job asks for experience in content, analytics, and campaign strategy. Here's one of my experiences. Created social media content for a student club, grew followers, and managed basic reporting. Can you rewrite that bullet to sound clearer and more results-focused? See the difference? Now you're giving context, you're pointing to a real goal, you're inviting AI to help you say it better, not do your work for you. Let me show you a before and after. Original bullet. Worked on social media for college club, created posts, and tracked engagement. Prompted rewrite with AI. Planned and created weekly Instagram content for a student-run club. Grew followers by 40% and used engagement data to adjust posting strategy. Same facts. Sharper framing. Clearer results. That's the power of guiding the tool. Let's take another example, a resume summary. Original summary. Final year student interested in marketing, analytics, and business roles. Looking to gain experience and grow my skills. It's not wrong, but it says very little. Now here's a smarter prompt. I'm a final year student who has run 2 small campaigns for college events. I like working on messaging, audience behavior, and performance data. Can you help me write a resume summary that sounds confident and specific? AI output. Final year student with hands-on experience planning and analyzing campus event campaigns. Passionate about audience insight, content performance, and creative strategy. Seeking an entry-level marketing role in a fast-paced team. Much better. And that's with just one clear prompt. So here's what you should do moving forward. For every job you apply to, write one custom summary and tailor 2 to 3 bullets. That's it. You don't need to rewrite your entire resume every time. Just show the recruiter that you made this effort for this job. Because most people won't. Most people will keep sending the same version everywhere. When you show that you understand the job, even a little, you build trust. Let me give you a short script to copy and edit for yourself. I'm applying for job title at company name. The job post mentions key skills or values. Here's my current resume bullet. Paste your version. Can you rewrite it to match the language of this role and show real contribution? That one prompt can save you hours. And it makes your resume look like it was written with care, not copied in bulk. To close this out, remember this. AI is not a cheat code. It's a mirror. If you give it lazy prompts, it gives you lazy output. But if you bring it a sharp mind and a clear goal, it becomes a powerful writing partner. Use AI to help you say what you mean, not to say something generic. In the next video, I'll show you how to organize your applications so you don't waste time starting from scratch every time. But right now, pick one bullet point and one job post. Try one smart prompt and see what comes back. That's your edge. Let's keep going. If this helped you write smarter, give it a like. It helps more people find this video and supports the channel. Subscribe for the next video. We're making AI work with you, not for you. Till next time, see you in the next video.
Find your unique value, let it free stand tall, rise up, be who you wanna be. Your story matters, sing it loud and clear. You got that spark, ignite it without fear.